It's the bottle of mom.
After his mum is Peng, alright?
Alright, bare Peng.
Now we'll move to your mum, bro.
Bad.
Like, love it. Now we'll move to your mum.
No. Your mum's better.
True. No.
Better.
You said true.
She's got better sex appeal. Better. Trust me.
In the name of Jesus, what are you talking about? You're saying my mum
Yeah.
is Chung. She's Peng. She's sexy.
Sexy. Boom. Nice.
So you would be my mum?
Yeah, man. I'll beat your mum.
Whoa.
Alright, cool. Let's talk about real things. This girl that I'm gonna show you, yeah, she's onto you.
Really?
Bro, she's onto you. That's her Insta there. Hangers alive? I'm gonna hit her up for you.
Alright, cool.
Yeah?
Cool. You're up. Today, now.
Alright, what do you want me to say in the text? Like, what do you like? What do you like in a woman?
I love you. I see you.
But you also like when she wears gold, because remember when we went out, you like that girl in the gold dress.
Gold dress. Tattoos, gold dress.
Yeah.
What else?
Sure.
Confidence.
I can do that.
Alright, cool. Listen. Let's hit up this festival, man.
Yep.
Are you sure you're not coming? You sure, bro?
Positive.
Alright, bro. Alright, let's all, man. Let's all go. Yo, my bro.
Yeah, man.
Are you sure you don't want to come?
No, honestly.
Bro, the festival's gonna be lit.
I know, but come on, man. I'm just gonna go home.
Say nothing,
In
family.
a bit, man.
Safe.
In
See
a
you
bit.
later.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Take it easy, yeah?
20 minutes later.
Hello. It's Vana. Davana. Listen, broski. Remember the girl that man was talking to you about? Yeah. Yeah, fam. She wants to meet you now. If you go back to mine, I've sorted everything out for you, innit? So she'll meet you there, innit? Alright, bro. Cool. We won't even file for it. Well, there's only one way to find out. Hello? Hello? Oh, got the Sicko, the Baileys, the Ciroc. Quick workout. I'm about to work her out. Got this.
Driver roll up the partition, please. Driver roll up the partition, please. I don't need you seeing your say on her knees. Took 45 minutes to get all dressed up. We ain't even gonna make it to this club. Now my mascara running red, lipstick smudge. Oh, he's so honey, yeah, he want too far. He popped on my buttons and he ripped my blouse. He Monica Lewinsky all on my gown. Whoa, that daddy didn't bring the towel. Oh, baby, better slow it down. Took 45 minutes to get all dressed up. And we ain't even gonna make it to this club. Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like. The kind of girl you like. Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like. The kind of girl you like is right here with me. Right here with me. Right here with me. Travel roll at the partition fast. Travel roll at the partition fast. Over there, I swear I saw them cameras flash. Handprints and footprints on my glass. Handprints and good grips all on my ass.
Spin around.
The music blasting.
Turn around. Come and get this.
No, don't panic. Remember what you said. You said, and I quote, she's Peng, she's sexy. Boom.
Nice.
So you would be my mom.
Yeah, man.
So yes, you wanted to do me. So I got sexy for you.
I'm so sorry for this.
No, don't be sorry. Hey, yo, bro, that was sick. I can't wait to go back next week.
That was too
Hey,
lit.
bro, did you see
Yo,
that girl?
that was
I didn't realize.
No, come back. No, weird, come back.
I swear that's your mum and JK. What are they doing?
Weird, come back, mom.
Je veux dire l'activité physique, le Covid.
What are you doing?
Tu ne t'intéresses
Nothing
pas
to
au
see
sexe.
here.
Les hommes pensent
Nothing
que
to
les
see.
féministes détestent le sexe, mais c'est une activité.